Nature does not care for human need. It cares only for one thing: stability. In 1998, the molecules of a miracle drug, ritonavir, suddenly changed their shape. It was called the disappearing polymorph, a chemical infection that turned a cure into dust. In 2025, we are witnessing another disappearing act, but this time, it isn't medicine that is vanishing. It is our atmospheric security. The explosion resurrected hot particles that had slept for decades. These isotopes vaporized, fusing with the burning insulation. But the real terror was older than radiation itself. As the walls burned, they birthed phosgene gas. This is the same sweet death that slaughtered thousands in the trenches of World War I. Chernobyl is designed to be a giant vacuum, pulling radioactive dust inward. But the strike has broken the seal. If the pressure fails, thermal inversion will act as a pump, dragging radiation into the sky. From there, it enters the jet streams. By the time the world hears the news, the air outside your window is already your enemy. Deep in the basement lies the monster, the elephant's foot, a 2,000-degree mass of molten corium. With the arch's crane destroyed, we have lost our only way to keep it cool. This is the dawn of the China syndrome. If this lava melts through the final concrete floor, it enters the aquifer. If the Dnieper dies, the nation dies. Among the ruins, there are shadows, scientists who walk through lethal tunnels every morning. They are nuclear hostages in a war zone. They know that radiation does not understand politics. Look at the rusted toys of Pripyat. Nature does not favor governments. It favors stability. And currently, the only stable thing is death. Think about it carefully, because the wind does not change its path for